How to smell good all day, a comprehensive guide. Smelling good all day isn't just about personal hygiene, it's a combination of habits, choices, and techniques that help you maintain freshness and confidence throughout the day. Smell plays a significant role in how we feel about ourselves and how others perceive us. Here's a step-by-step guide, including 10 key concepts to help you smell good all day. 1. Start with good hygiene. The foundation of smelling good is proper hygiene. Shower daily to remove sweat, bacteria, and odor. Pay special attention to areas prone to odor, such as underarms, feet, and the groin. Actionable step: use an antibacterial soap to cleanse your body thoroughly and reduce odor-causing bacteria. 2. Moisturize your skin. Dry skin doesn't hold scents well. Applying a moisturizer after showering helps your skin retain any fragrance you use later. Choose lightly scented or unscented lotions to avoid overpowering smells. Actionable step: apply a hydrating body lotion immediately after a shower to lock in moisture. 3. Use a long-lasting deodorant or antiperspirant. Deodorants mask odor, while antiperspirants reduce sweat. Look for a product that suits your body's needs and offers all-day protection. Actionable step: apply an antiperspirant at night before bed for maximum effectiveness, as it works better on dry skin. 4. Choose the right fragrance. Perfumes, colognes, and body sprays can enhance your natural scent. Select a fragrance that complements your personality and isn't too overpowering. Apply to pulse points, such as wrists and neck, for longevity. Actionable step: layer scents by using matching scented body wash, lotion, and perfume for a cohesive fragrance. 5. Stay hydrated and maintain a balanced diet. What you eat and drink affects your body odor. Staying hydrated helps flush out toxins, while avoiding foods like garlic and onions can reduce strong body odors. Actionable step: include foods rich in chlorophyll, like leafy greens, to help neutralize body odor naturally. 6. Keep your clothes fresh. Clothing can trap odors, so wear clean clothes daily and wash them regularly. Use fabric softeners or lightly scented detergents to ensure your clothes smell fresh. Actionable step: store clothes with dryer sheets or lavender sachets to keep them smelling good in your closet. 7. Carry on-the-go fresheners. Carry travel-sized deodorants, body sprays, or wet wipes for touch-ups throughout the day. These are especially useful if you're active or in hot climates. Actionable step: freshen up midday with deodorant wipes or a spritz of body spray. 8. Pay attention to your hair. Hair absorbs scents from the environment, such as smoke or food odors. Use a lightly scented shampoo and conditioner, and consider a hair mist to keep your locks smelling great. Actionable step: use dry shampoo to refresh your hair between washes and maintain a clean scent. 9. Freshen your breath. Good oral hygiene is crucial for overall freshness. Brush and floss regularly, use mouthwash, and carry mints or gum for quick breath freshening. Actionable step: keep a travel toothbrush and toothpaste in your bag for on-the-go touch-ups. 10. Manage stress levels. Stress can cause you to sweat more, leading to stronger body odors. Practice stress-reducing techniques like mindfulness, exercise, or deep breathing to stay calm and fresh. Actionable step: engage in calming activities, such as yoga, to reduce stress-related sweat. Final thoughts. Smelling good all day is about combining hygiene, fragrance, and lifestyle habits to stay fresh and confident. By following these tips and understanding how scent works with your body and environment, you can ensure you make a positive and lasting impression. Remember, consistency is key. Develop these habits, and smelling great will become second nature.